All right, we're back in the RV. We have to fix a broken latch on a bathroom drawer. So this drawer has these little notched catches to stop the drawer so it locks in. And this one, you can see here, latch doesn't catch. This happened on our last RV outing. So I'm gonna head over to the Camping World. I'm gonna take that off first, head over to the Camping World. That's just a few minutes from my house, see if they have a replacement, and I'll get that swapped over. All right, this latch part here screws off really easily. In order to get this part here under the counter, or we're gonna have to take the drawer out. So the drawer, we're just gonna press that one, press it down on the other side too. Okay, so we got the drawer out. We just unscrewed that piece. So it's kind of like one of these guys here. It's just a hook and a latch. It's supposed to latch together, but it's not catching. Somehow this is broken here, the spring or whatever is in there. One quick tip too, see these screws? See how they have kind of a square, they take a square screwdriver? Well guys, a regular Phillips head screwdriver works just fine for these, so you don't have to buy a special screwdriver. Your Phillips head works just as good in those. All right, it's been a couple days. I went over to Camping World to buy one of these. They wanted $15, almost $15 for one of these latches. And I'm like, no thanks. So I found like 4 of them on Amazon for, it was like $8 total. All right, and so those took 2 days to get here. So I got these. They're the same exact size, dimension. I'm just going to use the same screws here. So pick these up on Amazon. See a link in the description to the ones I got. But they install easily. This is just going to screw back under here. And then the latch will just screw under the drawer. And we'll be good to go. And we've got some extras for when all the other ones go out.